Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, how to use basics. Today we are going to learn how to change Google Chrome from Yahoo. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Google Chrome, then click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your Chrome. Select settings in the drop down menu, scroll down to search engine on your left, then next to the search engine, use the address bar, click on the drop down menu and select Google over there. Click on manage search engine and site search. Understand the default search engine section. You can add new search engine. Click add and enter the details for the search engine you want to use. Set a new default. If Google isn't listing as your default, find it in the list and click the three-dot menu next to it, then make sure you make it default. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.